Hello everyone. So before starting this video, I would like to give a disclaimer that the video that you will be seeing in the next half is something that I had shot more than two and a half months ago, and it does not have any significance with whatever situation that is going on in India right now. I wanted to post this video after the counseling would start so that you people might get an insight of what you're going to deal with in MBBS in your college. Now coming to the thing, many people were asking me that why am I not talking about the situation that is going on in India right now. So basically, if you people follow me on Instagram, you would know that I had been actively posting stories of this protest. I was actively reposting, and I was also sending these videos to people who I thought that might not know. I have been commenting on posts, but I did not say anything as such in my voice. I have a lot of reasons for that. Basically, I am not so much into politics. I engage myself very little in these matters. I did not want to speak about anything before knowing the entire thing of it. I had talked with a lot of people. I had done a lot of research on this topic. I thought that when it will be the right time, when I would get all the information, I would be talking on it. Just that my way of spreading the knowledge was something different that you people might have expected, and I completely understand, because me being an influencer and you being my audience, you would expect me to say something from my voice on this. So in this video, I'll be talking about it. Still, there are many people who do not know that what is going on. I myself got to know about this hunger strike when it was like almost 10 to 12 days after it was started. Thing is that NEET is an exam that you have to qualify to be eligible to get admitted in a medical college, and this is conducted every year. Lakhs of students give this exam every year. There are a lot of times that the paper gets leaked, but it does not come to the notice. But this year, the NEET 2026 exam was conducted on 3rd May, and just after the exam, it was seen that a lot of question had got leaked before the exam, and because of that, the paper was cancelled, and a re-NEET exam was conducted in 21st of June something. A handful of students had committed suicide because of it, which is very unfortunate. Coming from me, I am someone who had given the exam, the NEET exam in 2021. It was the post-COVID thing. So basically, our exam had got postponed by almost 3 to 4 months when our counseling got delayed, and our college started 2022 in the month of March, which basically usually starts in the September month of the previous year. बहुत hardship हम लोग को भी face करना पड़ा, but it is nothing as compared to what these students have faced in 2026. So coming from someone who has seen this system from a very close point of view, I had spent the entire that 1 year just studying and studying. I didn't have any life. I didn't have any friends at that time. I had just sacrificed everything in that 1 year. मैं कहीं घूमने नहीं जाती थी, मैं किसी से बात नहीं करती थी, मैं सुबह उठती थी, I just studied and that was it. Like मैं दिन में 17-18 घंटा पढ़ती थी for continuous like for like 6 months. If you do the same and suddenly you hear कि तुम्हारा पेपर लीक हो गया है, so the entire 2 years का मेहनत goes into waste. And you feel so bad. Like मेरा तो चलो फिर भी first attempt था. There are people who give like 4-5 attempts and still they think कि चलो इस बार हो जाएगा, and then suddenly a news comes that the paper got leaked and it will be cancelled and another exam will be held. You people don't know how mental stress that they go through. So basically, Sonam Wangchuk sir sat on this hunger strike where this ultimate thing was demanding accountability, that the NTA, the Education Minister of India, should take accountability of why this NEET paper thing had happened, and the people who were involved in it should get strict punishment. But their voices were unheard, and basically a protest was held on the 28th of this month. A lot of youngsters had joined it, where they were brutally harassed by the people. I would not call them police, because there were people wearing just the police uniform without any name tags. There were lathi charges, there were tear gases, there were people who were harassing the women, beating up the youngsters, there were school children who were brutally beaten up, water cannons and whatnot. Like the area had been sealed with barricades. Whenever I was seeing the videos, my heart was literally aching that, oh my god, if in a democracy you can't hold a peaceful protest, then what is the point of India being called a democratic country? So this is the thing that is happening. If you want like more proper information, you can always go to social media accounts. Please do not watch any news channels, because they are spreading very fake news. And please educate your family members also, because they are not some who social media as such. They are the people who rely on these news channels, and they have a completely false idea of whatever is happening in this country. बहुत लोग मुझे ये भी पूछ रहे थे कि why didn't I join the protest myself? So I am someone who lives in Kalyani, not even in Kolkata, because my college is like 2 hours away from Kolkata, and Delhi is a place that is very far away from my college. So if I could have got the opportunity, I would have really gone. Basically हमारे कोलकाता में भी कल, that is the 24th I guess, 24th में एक बड़ा रैली निकला था, and I was very sick that day, and आज भी एक रैली है. I am really sick right now also. You can see that my eyes have become red, and बहुत लोग को हमारे कॉलेज में are being tested COVID positive, and I did not wanted to go to the protest before getting myself tested. मुझे बाकी लोग के infections नहीं फैलाना था. So yeah, basically this was it, and in the next part of the video I will be telling about what are the things that you must know before joining medical college. And again, I'm telling this video was shot like almost 2.5 months ago, and yeah, that's it. Let's get into the video. Hello everyone. So I am Dr. Ahana Biswas, intern at AIMS Kalyani. I wanted to make this video since a long time. So NEET exam just got over 2 days ago. That is re-NEET 2026 just got over 2 days ago. And I know that physics and chemistry paper was a lot tough. All the students that I have talked who gave their exam this year, I have inferred that सबका paper ही उतना अच्छा नहीं गया था as expected. Some people might be scoring more marks in NEET than in re-NEET 2026. I know how it feels कि तुमने exam दिया, paper leak हो गया and 2 महीने बाद वापस से तुमको exam देना पड़ा and तुमने जब वो एग्जाम दिया द मार्क्स आरंट व्हाट यू एक्सपेक्टेड, तुमको कम मार्क्स मिल रहा है. पहले बार यू थॉट कि यू वुड श्योरली गेट अ कॉलेज एंड अभी कोई सर्टेनिटी नहीं है. बट आई वुड टेल यू पीपल कि अभी इतना डिसहार्टेंड मत हो. लेट द रिजल्ट्स कम आउट एंड जस्ट वेट फॉर इट. मे बी यू माइट गेट अ कॉलेज क्योंकि इस बार आई थिंक कट ऑफ थोड़ा कम जा सकता है. भी राइट नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू इज दैट दिस फ्यू मंथ्स दैट यू आर गेटिंग बिटवीन योर एग्जाम एंड द MBBS कॉलेज यू वुड बी जॉइनिंग, दिस इज द फ्री टाइम दैट यू डू नॉट वांट टू मिस. एंजॉय दिस टाइम. तुमको जो मर्जी है तुम 2-3 years नहीं कर पाए थे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वन एग्जाम. जस्ट एंजॉय दिस टाइम बिकॉज लेट मी टेल यू पीपल ये वक्त कभी वापस नहीं आने वाला है. वंस यू जॉइन MBBS तुम्हारा लाइफ इतना हेक्टिक हो जाएगा ना कि तुमको छुट्टी तक नहीं मिलेगा एंड दिस इज द टाइम दैट यू गोना मिस द मोस्ट कि मैंने क्यों इसको यूटिलाइज नहीं किया है. सो जस्ट एंजॉय योर टाइम. एंड नाउ या कमिंग टू द वीडियो. MBBS as a branch is so much overhyped. Like every parent you ask, they want their child to become either a doctor or an engineer. And there are lakhs and lakhs of students who give this one NEET exam every year. And they spend years after years after years. कोई तो 5 से 7 साल भी लगा देता है एक एग्जाम का क्रैक करने के लिए. So yeah, I feel this is so much overhyped and I wanted to make a video on this for all the people who would be joining MBBS this year. You can take this video as an advice from a big sister who has completed 4.5 years of MBBS at AIMS Kalyani. It's gonna be a heart-to-heart conversation between you and me where I would be exposing all the truths, all the things that actually happens in your MBBS life, and after that you can choose whether you want to join or not. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Coming to the first thing, that MBBS is not just about study. मतलब तुमको बोलेंगे कि अब तुम MBBS ज्वाइन कर लिए हो, अब तो तुमको बस पढ़ना पढ़ना और पढ़ना ही है, उसके छोड़ कर तुम्हारा कोई लाइफ नहीं है. बट let me tell you people, study is not the only hard thing that you're gonna face in MBBS. You would be joining a new college. It's not in your hometown. You would be going to a new state. वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम होने वाले हैं because most of the people might be staying in a hostel for the very first time. New people, new language, everything new, and no one will be by your side at that time. So study तो is hard, I know, but उससे भी harder will be making friends, making your relationships, your hostel life, homesickness, and yourself. So at the end of 5.5 years of MBBS, you would not just become a doctor, but you would become a grown-up adult with all the experiences of the life, and you would be a completely changed person. If you people are seeing this video, okay, open your cameras right now, record a message. How do you expect yourself to be in like 5.5 years? I wanted to do it but मैंने ये किया नहीं था, but you can do it right now. देखना कि what are the things that you have achieved and what are the things you haven't. A very good video that you can have for yourself. The next thing is you won't feel like a doctor for a very long time. So basically क्या होता है ना कि when people are joining MBBS वो पहला दिन ही जाके स्टेथोस्कोप खरीद लेते हैं. And let me tell you people कि स्टेथोस्कोप की ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती है, at least in first year. Most of the people in our college got the stethoscope in second year, but mostly you will use a stethoscope in physiology, practical, जब तुमको थोड़ा बहुत auscultations ये सब सिखाने वाले हैं वो लोग, BP मेजर करना एक्सेट्रा. बट उसके अलावा you won't be needing a stethoscope anytime. तुम जो सोचते हो ना कि अभी MBBS में गई हूँ, अभी मैं अपना वाइट कोट पहन के अपना स्टेथोस्कोप लेके यहाँ वहाँ घूमूंगी and every people will be like watching me, हाँ कितना अच्छा है. Nothing as such happens. So basically you have 3 subjects in first year: anatomy, physiology and your biochem. Anatomy में you have to go to the dissection hall and have to learn about the human body. Please respect the cadaver because that cadaver is going to make you learn a lot of things in life. Then comes physiology. Physiology में practicals होते हैं तो वहाँ पे you will be learning like systemic examinations, फिर BP measure करना है, छोटा मोटा stuff. And then biochem is all about mostly chemistry. Okay, you would have 0 patient interaction in first year, and then second year हमारे college में तो posting start हुआ था, and that was my first interaction. That is after completing 1.5 year of MBBS. So तुम बहुत कुछ expect करोगे कि पहले ही जाके I will be seeing patients, मैं prescriptions लिखूंगी, मैं medicines दूंगी, patients मुझे कुछ पूछेंगे और मैं सब कुछ बता दूंगी, but nothing as such happens. First year is all about your dissection, your bones, your histology slides. Oh my god, I just hate it. You would be feeling more like a biology student than a doctor. Then comes a very important thing, that is every one of you would be a topper before entering the college. So this is a hard truth that you have to accept. Most of the people who are joining a good medical college would be coming from schools where they used to be the topper of their class, they used to score very high marks, and all of you will be coming together under this one roof as a batch. You would be feeling that school topper syndrome so much. हमारे batch में भी ऐसे 3-digit rankers आए थे हमारे college में, but the first exam that happened in our college, they failed. So basically तुम कितना भी अच्छा student क्यों ना हो in your schools, in your tuitions, your college is gonna humble you because there will be students who would be so much intelligent than you, and तुमको लगने लगेगा कि where have I come, you would feel so much depressed after giving 1 or 2 exams. बहुत ही कम मार्क्स आते हैं and you will be seeing कि your friends might be doing so much better than you. वो लोग तुम्हारे से कम पढ़ रहे हैं but they are getting so much better marks than you, and you will start questioning yourself कि am I not doing enough, am I not in the right place, maybe this is not for me. But let me tell you, please don't be disheartened with these little exams. Like I know कि फर्स्ट ईयर में ये सब एग्जाम, छोटे मोटे एग्जाम जो क्लास टेस्ट होते हैं, these matter to you so much, but जब तुम फाइनल ईयर में चले जाओगे these don't matter to you at all. Just give yourself some time. I feel कि फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ MBBS तुमको एडजस्ट करने में ही निकल जाता है. डोंट नो तुमको क्या पढ़ना है, कहाँ से पढ़ना है, कितना पढ़ना है, यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग. टेक्स टाइम टू एडजस्ट. मुझे खुद ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. मैं 1000 सोर्स से पढ़ी थी कि मेरे लिए क्या सूट कर रहा है, एंड दैट इटसेल्फ टुक मी 6 months टू डिसाइड कि मुझे कहाँ से पढ़ना है. व्हाट आई वुड से कि अपने सीनियर से बात करो, टॉक विद द फ्रेंड्स फॉर स्कोरिंग गुड एंड विद द स्ट्रेटजीज. यू विल एडजस्ट टू इट. ठीक है, जस्ट गिव योरसेल्फ सम टाइम. ओके, यू विल बी फाइन. ये तो कभी भी मत सोचो कि MBBS में घुसने के बाद यू विल बी स्कोरिंग 90 to 95%. स्कोरिंग एटलीस्ट 50% के ऊपर, दैट इज पासिंग मार्क्स, इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग है MBBS. सो अपने पेरेंट्स को भी ये सब बोल दो, बिकॉज या दे वुड बी ऑल्सो कंसर्न कि मेरे बच्चा को बस 55% मिला है, मे बी पढ़ नहीं रहा है. सो दिस वीडियो इज ऑल्सो फॉर द पेरेंट्स. MBBS में 50% से ज़्यादा स्कोर करना भी इज अ हेल लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो प्रेशराइज योर बच्चाज विद ऑल दोज थिंग्स कि तुम पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो. इट्स अ लॉट मोर देन यू थिंक. देन इज दैट यू विल फेल मल्टीपल टाइम्स एंड यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दिस फेलियर, बिकॉज फेलियर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ MBBS. अगर तुम गलती नहीं करोगे तो तुम सीखोगे नहीं. तुम गलती करोगे, तुमको उसके लिए झाड़ पड़ेगा, एंड यू वुड रिमेंबर दैट फॉर लाइफ. सो इफ पीपल आर स्कोल्डिंग यू, इफ योर टीचर्स आर स्कोल्डिंग यू, जस्ट ठीक है, तब बुरा लगता है, बहुत रोना आता है, यू जस्ट वांट टू लीव योर कोर्स, यू जस्ट वांट टू गो अवे, यू जस्ट वांट टू रन अवे, बट यू हैव एंटर्ड अ प्रोफेशन जहाँ पे तुम गलती नहीं कर सकते हो. आई नो कि इंजीनियरिंग अगर तुम करते हो, इफ यू कट वन वायर रॉन्ग, अगर तुम इधर उधर कोडिंग का कुछ गलती कर लेते हो, ठीक है, यू कैन मॉडिफाई इट लेटर. बट अगर तुम पेशेंस के साथ ऐसा एक गलती कर लेते हो, इट कैन कॉस्ट अस वन लाइफ. सो या, जस्ट एक्सेप्ट योर फेलियर्स एंड यू विल बिकम बेटर वन डे. एंड योर फर्स्ट पेशेंट इंटरेक्शन विल फील सो स्कैरी. तुमको लगेगा व्हेन आई विल बी गोइंग टू कॉलेज, मैं पहला पेशेंट्स देखूंगा, मैं उनका पूरा हिस्ट्री लूंगा, आई विल प्रिस्क्राइब अ मेडिसिन एंड देन आई विल टेल हिम टू गो. बट वैसा कुछ नहीं होता है. माय फर्स्ट पेशेंट इंटरेक्शन वाज थर्ड सेमेस्टर, दैट इज सेकंड ईयर. तो मेरा मेडिसिन पोस्टिंग स्टार्ट हुआ था. वी ऑल वेंट देयर एंड सर टोल्ड कि पेशेंट का हिस्ट्री लेने, एंड वी डिडंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट हिस्ट्री टेकिंग. हिस्ट्री इज बेसिकली यू हैव टू आस्क द पेशेंट हिज सिम्टम्स, एंड उससे यू हैव टू डिराइव कि पेशेंट का क्या डिजीज है, जस्ट फ्रॉम द कॉन्वर्सेशन, नॉट एग्जामिनिंग द पेशेंट. पेन या ऐसा कुछ लेके पेशेंट आया था, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू राइट. आई जस्ट आस्क्ड द पेशेंट कि आपको क्या दिक्कत है. ही टोल्ड कि मुझे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. आई जस्ट आस्क्ड, अच्छा कहाँ पे दर्द हो रहा है, कितना दिन से हो रहा है, कुछ और हुआ है कि नहीं, बस दैट्स ऑल द थिंग दैट आई आस्क्ड. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक, और क्या पूछना है, और तो कुछ नहीं पूछना है. तो हम लोग सर के पास गए. सर वाज लाइक, इससे तुम क्या डिराइव कर रहे हो, नथिंग. हैव यू रूल्ड आउट एनीथिंग, हैव यू गॉन टू एनी कंक्लूजन. So basically then sir told कि pain itself has so many things that you have to ask. That's the Socrates criteria, and that was the first thing that I learned in MBBS, and I still remember it because it was my first patient interaction. तुम्हारा second third year तो history लेने में ही चले जाएगा. Your teachers will be pestering you कि एक proper history लेना सीखो, proper history लेना सीखो. I think मुझे भी बहुत frustrating लगता था कि बस history लेते जा रही हूँ, I'm not understanding anything. But then I learned कि history taking is also an art. You can derive so much information from that with asking the right amount of questions. You can include a lot of things. You can exclude a lot of things also from history taking. So just take the history taking a bit seriously, because that's one of the biggest foundation of your MBBS. And after 2-3 घंटा का हिस्ट्री टेकिंग, या पेशेंट्स विल आस्क, ठीक है डॉक्टर आप मुझे बताइए कि मुझे क्या है, एंड यू विल बी कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक कि मुझे खुद नहीं पता. यू विल बी टेलिंग द पेशेंट कि मुझे तो इतना ही आता है, मेरे को बस हिस्ट्री टेकिंग ही बोला था, एंड बाकी जो है वो बड़े डॉक्टर बताएंगे. एंड देन यू विल बी लिविंग, एंड पेशेंट्स विल बी लुकिंग एट यू विद सो मच एक्सपेक्टेशंस कि इतना कुछ बोला है, नाउ डॉक्टर विल बी सेइंग समथिंग, बट यू विल बी जस्ट बी स्टैंडिंग देयर ब्लैंक, एंड यू विल बी फीलिंग लाइक मे बी क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, क्या कर रही हूँ अपनी लाइफ से. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. जब मैं अपना इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट की थी, व्हेन आई वाज इन ओपीडी, माय मेडिसिन ओपीडी फर्स्ट डे, इवन आई डोंट नो कि क्या करना था. आई वाज कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक. देन कम्स योर फर्स्ट कैडावर चेंजेस. एनाटॉमी में एज आई टोल्ड यू, पीपल विल बी लर्निंग डिसेक्शन, एंड वो ना इतना अच्छा फीलिंग होता है ना, लाइक यू विल बी सो एक्साइटेड कि या आई विल बी डिसेक्टिंग अ कैडावर, सब कुछ पहचान जाऊंगी, आई विल बी नोइंग सो मच, मैं ये करूंगी वो करूंगी. बट इन रियलिटी उतना कुछ होता नहीं है. फर्स्टली यू हैव टू गेट यूज्ड टू दैट फॉर्मेलिन का स्मेल, एंड यू टेक द ओथ ऑल्सो, दैट इज द कैडावरी ओथ. एंड प्लीज 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 रिस्पेक्ट योर कैडावर्स, बिकॉज दे आर गोना बी योर फर्स्ट टीचर्स. कभी भी फोटोज मत लेना डिसेक्शन हॉल में. मी एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर ऑल्सो नेवर डिड दैट. मैं कभी भी कैडावर के साथ फोटोज नहीं ली थी. आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट you also not to do that without your teacher's permission. If I'm talking about myself right now also, if you people have been seeing my YouTube videos since this 4.5 years, you would be seeing मैं कभी भी patients का videos नहीं डालती हूँ. Either I never put videos of my patients, or even if I'm doing, उनका face पूरा हटा देती हूँ, blur कर देती हूँ. I never take patients into my videos. वो my professors also know that I'm a content creator on YouTube, and वो मुझे खुद से बोलते हैं कि तुम patients का ऐसा procedures करो, you can take a video. But मुझे ये सब controversy में घुसना ही नहीं है. I respect the patients a lot. अच्छा नहीं लगता है, because for me it might just be a patient, but for others she might be a mother or a sister to someone, and I don't want to break their privacy, and I would expect you all also to follow the same thing. So yeah, that's the advice that I would really want to give you people. Then you will be making lifelong friends. More importantly, if you're staying at a hostel, इतना दिन क्या होता था कि you stayed at home, school जाते थे, tuition जाते थे, and had a limited amount of time with your friends. But in hostel जब तुम रहना start करोगे ना, you will eat, sleep, walk, talk, everything with those few people in your floor or with your roommate. Like first year में हम लोग का बहुत बड़ा एक group था, and usually क्या होता है after first, second, third, fourth year the groups become smaller. Our group just became larger. Let me tell you that MBBS you can't do it alone. You would need someone support. So yeah, make friends, उनके साथ मज़ा करो. डोंट जस्ट रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर सेल्फ टू स्टडिंग. हाँ, उनके साथ पढ़ाई भी करो, उनके साथ घूमने जाओ, एन्जॉय योर हॉस्टल लाइफ टू द फुलेस्ट बिकॉज दीज आर योर गोल्डन डेज. ये कभी वापस नहीं आएंगे. दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट यू विल मिस द मोस्ट आफ्टर यू गेट आउट ऑफ कॉलेज. देन कम्स नोबडी टॉक्स अबाउट द लोनलीनेस दैट यू फील हियर. मोस्ट ऑफ द ईयर्स तुम्हारा एग्जाम्स रहेगा एंड यू वुड बी सीइंग कि कितना सारा फेस्टिवल्स दैट आर हैपनिंग. दुर्गा पूजा हो रहा है, दिवाली हो रहा है, होली हो रहा है, एंड इवन योर पर्सनल इवेंट्स, फैमिली मेम्बर्स, कोई दादा या दीदी आर गेटिंग मैरिड एंड तुम्हारा एग्जाम्स चल रहा होगा एंड यू वुड नॉट बी एबल टू अटेंड दैट. एंड देन अगेन द फ्रेंड्स दैट यू हैव इन योर hometown, they would be calling you कि चलो आज घूमने जाते हैं, ये करते हैं, let us go. And because of your exams you have to cancel all the plans and sometimes you will be feeling so much distant. You have to understand कि you have chosen a course and it demands your time. I've missed so much, lot of opportunities, so many events because of my exams. I have missed Apple events, I have missed YouTube events because of my exams and मुझे इतना बुरा लगता था कि just for this one exam I just missed such big opportunities, but that's a harsh truth and you have to accept it. And then MBBS is not just a 5.5 years का journey. MBBS is just the starting. 4.5 years studying, 1 years of internship, and फिर उसके बाद you just can't survive with just an MBBS degree. You have to then give your NEET PG, your INI set, and वहाँ का 3 साल चला गया, and उसके बाद सुपर स्पेशलिटी में और 3 साल चला गया. That also if you're cracking it in the first attempt itself. नहीं तो सोच ही लो कि 10 साल तो establish होने में ही लग जाएंगे. So this is just the beginning, and MBBS as such is not that much hectic as I am seeing, क्योंकि once I see my PGs की JR1, JR2, JR3 इतना काम करते हैं ना, especially the JR1s, इतना काम होता है उनके ऊपर, and then I feel कि मुझे यही इतना टफ लग रहा है, so how will I manage when I go to PG? So just keep this in mind कि MBBS is just the beginning of a very big world that you are entering willingly. So yeah, these are all the things that I wanted to say. बहुत time MBBS will feel so much hectic to you. You would want to quit it so much. बहुत लोग डिप्रेशन में भी चले जाते हैं. So just don't be alone. Talk with someone. Talk with your loved ones. अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करो. If you feel कि some trustworthy faculty in your college also you can talk with them. कोई harsh decision कभी भी मत लेना. Don't be too hard on yourself. Be a bit easy. First year is all about adjusting to a lot of things and बहुत overwhelming लगता है first year, but you will get used to it. So yeah, इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद भी if someone asks me 5.5 साल पहले कोई अभी भी पूछता कि if I want to join MBBS after all these things, I would proudly say that yes, I would do that. कितना भी hardships मुझे यहाँ पे face करना पड़ा है, I think it's all worth it because अभी when I'm seeing patients and they come to me and tell doctor आपके लिए मैं अभी इतना अच्छा हूँ, and it feels so good कि I feel that yeah, this is what I was made for. So yeah, all the best. Congratulations to all who have cracked NEET this time. I would be getting a good college. Enjoy your time right now, and for all the people who would be joining AIIMS Kalyani, I would be waiting for you people. All the best and chalo bye bye. See you in my next video.